my name is Brian Largent. I'm the CEO of the ArcLight Group. Today I will be demonstrating our new passwordless authentication system utilized on computers for healthcare providers specifically. The goal is to remove the need to remember complex passwords. Our healthcare providers have complained to us on numerous occasions of remembering a password to their electronic medical record system, their patient management system, their computer. All these passwords and accounts were completely independent of each other, and there's different ways to handle that. The number one thing we focused on was if we can get you logged into your computer without a password memory, memorizing a password, then we feel like we can get the applications to talk to that same authentication mechanism. Most of your companies out there, Allscripts, Centricity, Prime Suite from Greenway, those applications have the ability to synchronize to the same account utilized to log into your computer. So we focused on the computer access first, and if we can get that, we can get most of the way there. We found a solution we feel is really robust, very cost effective, and easy to deploy. I'm going to be demonstrating today the way to use this system without a contact card. However, it does work with proximity cards, as I've shown in my other videos. It does work with that. It also works with many other, including key fob proximity cards, magstripe, biometric, any solution out there pretty much we can make work with this solution out of the box. But we tend to focus on those things we think our customers are most going to want. So having a card access that has your ID on it, that maybe you can reuse the one that your hospital issues to you for your own private practice or your own facilities. It's not unfeasible to have one card working on multiple systems. So that being said, I'm going to show you how the solution works, the first one being Ping Me. So let's say you forgot your card at home. And you see here, I've got the agent running on the computer, and you'll see Ping Me there. So I don't have my card, and I do have my phone. So I've got an app on my phone, and I've got an app on my tablet. So I'm going to click Ping Me. It's going to ask for a username, and it's already there because I last logged into here. And when I click that, you're going to see my iPad here is going to let me know, whoop, there it is, that I've got a request to log in. I'm going to approve it, and it's logging me in. These do not have to be on the same network. This is all stored in the cloud, and it happens very fast, as you can see. This computer right here is on the cloud, it's on the network, and the agent is connected to the cloud. So let's go ahead and log off. And now I'm going to show you how to use the emergency access solution, which is a question and answer type system. So to get the emergency access, you have here emergency access. We're going to click that. And then here you'll see it has the same information. I'm just going to click the arrow, don't have to put any password in, and it's question and answer. I can specify as many question and answers as you want for your customer or your employees to utilize to be able to get into their system. So the degree of security is up to you. The passwords or the answers to the questions must be complex. They can't be simple. They can't be like the letter A on every answer. The employee can answer it however they want as long as they meet certain requirements. So in this case, you can see, what is your father's middle name? What was the first sport you ever played? And it timed out on me. And what is your when did you first, or where did you first meet your spouse? So you answer all those questions, and then I'm not going to do this here, but if you click that arrow after answering those questions, it's going to give you two choices. The first one is, do you want to just go ahead and log in, and that's it? Or do you want to reset your password? So no longer do you need to go and get a password reset from an administrator or pay a managed service company like us to go in and reset passwords from employees because you don't have time to deal with it, or it's an emergency and you can't wait. So you need to put an emergency ticket to get this resolved. That's just for a password. Those days are over. Now you can get into the system by just simply answering some simple questions, and you're secure. So you can use Ping Me if you've got a mobile app on your phone, and you can use emergency access if you just want to answer questions. The ArcLight Group is in Tulsa, Oklahoma. We're a managed service provider focusing on healthcare providers. We're constantly looking for the best and most cost-effective solutions to meet HIPAA compliance for our healthcare providers. We are very heavily focused on HIPAA compliance. We do both risk assessments for technology and work with our providers in every way possible to make sure that they're getting the care they need. If you would, give us a call back. Our number is 918-270-6600. And let us know any questions you might have about our solution. Our website is algsys.com. Hope to hear from you soon.